Hello everyone and welcome to Explode Maths. In this video, the question we have to solve: how to simplify square root of 108 plus square root of 81 divided by square root of 108 minus square root of 81. So let us see its solution. So here in first step, we will write it equal to square root of 108 is same as 12 times 9 plus square root of 81 is same as 9 times 9 divided by square root of 108. In the same way, here is 12 times 9 minus square root of 81 is same as 9 times 9. So now here we will follow a property of maths, that is, if we have values in this way, square root of a times b, then it may be written as square root of a times square root of b, which means that we can write these values with separate roots. So here we will write them in this way: square root of 12 times square root of 9 plus square root of 9 times square root of 9 divided by square root of 12 times square root of 9 minus square root of 9 times square root of 9. And now here in numerator as well as in denominator, square root of 9 is repeating. So we will take it out as common factor from numerator and denominator. So here we will get square root of 9 common. So here will be square root of 12 plus here will be square root of 9 divided by square root of 9 as common. So here will be square root of 12 minus square root of 9. So here we can see that this value square root of 9 is same in numerator and denominator. So they will cancel out each other and we are left with square root of 12 plus square root of 9 divided by square root of 12 minus square root of 9. And now here what will we do next is we will further solve it by rationalization. So here we will multiply it with a fraction, that is square root of 12 plus square root of 9 divided by square root of 12 plus square root of 9. So now here we will get, here will be a plus b whole square, as both values are same. So here will be square root of 12 plus square root of 9 whole square divided by, here we have both terms in the way, a minus b into a plus b. So by following the algebraic formula, here will be square root of 12 square minus square root of 9 square. So now this implies that here we can apply an algebraic formula, that is a plus b whole square. So here it will be equal to square root of 12 square plus square root of 9 square plus 2 times square root of 12 times square root of 9 over here. This square root will be cancelled by this square, and this square root will be cancelled by this square, and we will get here 12 minus 9. And now this square root will be cancelled by this square, and this square root will be cancelled by this square. So we will get here 12 plus 9 plus 2 times square root of 12 times. Here we will write 3 as the 9 is square of 3, and square will be cancelled by this square root. So here will be 3 divided by 12 minus 9 is equal to 3. Or now this will be equal to 12 plus 9 is equal to 21 plus 2 times square root of 12 times 3 divided by 3. And now here from numerator we can take 3 as common factor. So here it will be 3 into 21 divided by 3 is equal to 7 plus this whole term divided by 3 will be equal to 2 times square root of 12 divided by 3, and now this 3 will be cancelled by this 3, and we will get here 7 plus 2 times square root of 12. This 12 can be written as 4 times 3. So now here we will write it in this way: 7 plus 2 times square root of 4 times square root of 3, or in next step here it will be equal to 7 plus 2 times, as square root of 4 is equal to 2 times square root of 3, or now here will be 7 plus 2 times 2 is 4 times square root of 3, and this term is our final simplified answer: 7 plus 4 times square root of 3. I hope you would have liked video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.